Again, get some power. It's no power. Load shedding again. No, man. Oh, but wait. Enter the ROMOSS LT20PS Powerbank to the rescue. Option. This is SKMDK back with another video. So, firstly, thanks for tuning in again onto my channel where I do tech reviews, unboxing, and tutorials. So, what have we got today? Yes, you've guessed it right. We have the unboxing of the ROMOSS LT20P Powerbank. So, without wasting your time, let's get right into this. So, before we go any further, I want to say thanks to my returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. And if you haven't joined the team yet, please consider doing so by subscribing and clicking the bell icon. This really goes a long way into supporting me and helping me grow as a YouTuber. So thanks for your support. Firstly, let's start with the packaging. I have to say it's a bit underwhelming, but I guess for a power bank, you wouldn't expect much from the packaging. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's look at what is written here. So it's a ROMOSS LT20P power bank with a 20,000 milliamp hour capacity, which means it's quite big. So it can charge probably your phone like 3 times or so, depending on your capacity. There's a 3 input. It has fast charging. It's easy to fit and also fit charge, meaning that it's capable to charge almost any device. It's able to then adjust the charge based on whatever device you're using, right? And on the side, it's written "Energize Your Future," ROMOSS. And then here, it's just written the capacity, the weight. I have to say it's a bit heavy. So as you can see, it's a dual USB Type-C and Lightning power bank. So meaning that it's able to charge your iPhone or your Android device. So let's unbox it. Okay. So it opens this side. Let's see what's in the box. Right. So firstly, you're greeted by the power bank itself. You can see it's quite huge, but I actually like it's quite stylish. Yeah, I have to say it's quite heavy, but for 20,000 milliamp hour, it sort of makes sense, and it really sort of assures you that you're gonna have it's gonna be able to charge your device for quite like a number of times. And so let's put it on the side for now. Let's see what else is in the packaging. And there's the manual. I guess just shows you how it works, right? So let's take it out of the packaging. So there we have it. I have to say it looks stylish. I really like how it looks. So in front, it's just written 20 plus and then ROMOSS, and I believe this is an LED screen that tells you amount of charge that's in there. We're gonna test it now just to see how it works. The side, there's no buttons. Back side, also nothing. And then on the other side, then there's the power button. Probably this is just to wake it up. At the bottom, it's just written some specifications and the LT20P+. Then up here, you can see there's a whole lot of connectors. And this is because it's a 3 input. So if you look closely, you will see that it has a normal USB connector and then a lightning connector then as well as a Type-C connector. So whatever sort of charger you have, you'll be able to charge your power bank. And I do believe that the middle sort of connector or port doubles up also as an output. So meaning that you can charge or also charge your device by that port, but let's see, we'll see about that. And then there's the two different power points, and I believe they produce different charges. I think one is for fast charging and the other one is sort of your normal charging, but we'll test that. So let's first press this button and see what's in what it says. There, it's already 80% capacity, so that's great. We can really test it. So I've got my phone here, my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G, and as you can see, I'm on 14% capacity, so I'm really dying for some power. So let's test it. I'll try with the Type-C connector that came with the phone. So let's try this. So I'm quite interested to see whether this actually does work, whether it does double up as a input and an output. Put this on the side. So it's connected. Let's see if it charges. There we go. So it does charge. But it seems like, from my view, the phone is not saying, it's just saying charging. So meaning that it's probably just normal charge. But as you can see, it's charging. Let's see what's written on the LCD screen. I believe it has sort of, I don't know if that just means fit charge or what, but I will see, as I'll be doing a review also. So after some time, I'll probably also know what this icon actually also means. So that's nice. So meaning that this doubles up as a charging point as well as an output point to charge your phone. Right. So let's test the other ports. And let's test the top one. I believe this is the fast charge one. There we go. Let me just get it right. There. So let's try that in let's try to charge my device again. Again, it seems like it's just normal charging. So I don't know whether, probably the last one is the one that's fast charging, but let's see. So let's try the other port. Still just says charging. So it does seem like it's normal charge, but so I'll have to sort of monitor it to see what sort of output, power output it produces. But as you can see, it says that it will take 2 hours, 12 minutes to charge my phone from around 15%. So meaning that it's not quite the fast or the super fast charger, but sort of makes sense because I believe this is only 18 watts and the super fast charging is 25 watts. So this sort of makes sense. Then also let's just test it by charging. Fortunately, I only have a Type-C connector. So let's try to charge the power bank itself and let's see what it says. Just get a power socket. There we go. Now it's charging itself. And that's quite nice because then it seems like when it's charging, it's actually flashing the capacity, while if it's charging another device then it's not flashing. So this is good because, as I said, this seems like it doubles up as a power input as well as a power output. So it sort of gives you an idea whether you are charging or actually charging whether you're charging the power bank or charging another device. So yes, it means that basically we have 3 inputs, so 3 ways of charging it, as well as 3 ways of charging other devices, which I think is quite awesome. So this will actually save you during load shedding, meaning you can charge 3 devices at once. And I believe at 20,000 milliamp hour capacity, you really should be able to charge a whole 3 of your devices. My phone specifically, it's 4,500 milliamp hours. So meaning that you should be able to get around, say, 4 charges. So I think that's cool. So yeah, so that's it, guys. As I said, I will then be doing a review, testing the charging speeds, how long it takes to charge itself. I do expect it to take quite a long time. The 20,000 capacity is quite big, but I also believe, and I also test how fast it charges my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G, as well as my Galaxy Note 8. But yeah, well, then we'll see whether it's good or not. But so far I'm impressed. I like the design, but I have to say it's a bit heavy. So that was it, friends. Thanks for tuning in again, and thank you for making it this far, and see you in the next one. Cheers.